What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best silent keyboards on the market. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Do check it out. Best overall, Corsair Strafe. The keyboard stars Cherry MX Red mechanical key switches, honored for their 0 dB sound and smooth gaming performance. You surely would love using this simplistic yet performance-grade best quiet keyboard for PC gaming. With its noise-free linear Cherry MX Red mechanical keys, the Corsair Strafe gives an excellent level of silence and comfort. In turn, you will be able to utilize the keyboard even in the library or in places where pin-drop silence is needed. Not only are the keyboard switches quietest, but it is also most suitable due to its contoured, textured keycaps, which contribute great to feel and grip. Furthermore, the mechanical red keys are highly responsive in registering every key press, giving you an advantage in high-end gaming. It seems well-built, convenient, and you can customize the RGB lighting through the iCUE software. Also, all keys are all macro-programmable. The good thing is that the RGB backlight is really useful to allow you to see the keys in the dark. The backlighting characteristic is completely adjustable. That is to say, you can program and customize the RGB pattern according to the already set lighting pattern for your gaming conditions. Most comfortable, Red Dragon K502. A large gaming keyboard, silent in operation and effective in performance, is none other than the Red Dragon K502. The board is quiet enough that even your partner won't feel the sound of clicks it offers in intense gaming. The best part is the cost tag, as it is the quietest keyboard under $30. Granted, the Corsair and Razer lovers may not love utilizing Red Dragon peripherals, but this is something they must give a try. I'm pretty sure they will like its jaw-dropping performance with near-silent clicks. Furthermore, the fascinating RGB lighting would appeal to you once you program it according to your gaming setup. Not only is the form of the Red Dragon 502 highly ergonomic, including a wrist rest to limit fatigue, its 25-key anti-ghosting too gives an ideal actuation with no accidental misclicks. This is where the keyboard tops, as other gaming keyboards have 8 to 12 anti-ghosting keys. Arguably, after using this board, you'll indeed say, defeating the assailants and regaining the lost kingdom is now considerably easy. What makes K502 RGB a compelling choice is that it stars 12 multimedia keys for complete control of entertainment. Furthermore, the keyboard is cooperative with all the operating systems, including macOS, Windows 7, 8, and 8.1, and Windows 10. Also, it's straightforward to connect with a PC through its durable, corrosion-resistant USB connector. Although the keyboard comes provided with a wrist rest, you may still require a smooth and ergonomic wrist rest for the keyboard to limit complications, like carpal tunnel injury during intense gaming. Best for gaming, HyperX Alloy Elite. Provided with multiple color options, styled with appealing RGB, and shaped with a long-lasting material, the HyperX Alloy Elite RGB is a worthwhile mechanical gaming keyboard. Regarding design, HyperX Alloy Elite surprisingly matches the MacBook. The durable chassis is very appealing and guarantees it to last long. The keys, too, remain intact and don't wobble or become loud even if pressed hard. The proprietary HyperX Red switches present a good typing experience and have a low actuation force. The dedicated Ingenuity software gives excellent customization choices, but it's only available on Windows. It seems well built with a steel plate on top, but the ABS keycaps feel like they're a bit cheap. It has dedicated media keys, great if you listen to music while gaming, and it has a USB pass-through, enabling you to connect your mouse or to charge your phone. To give extraordinary quietness, the keyboard stars titanium textured keycaps. The keycaps are very stable for gaming purposes and allow you to perform multiple actions at one time without a single misclick observed. That being stated, It is an absolute performance, full-size board to keep you captivated for the whole day. Overall, the HyperX is our preferred gaming keyboard that gives noiseless gaming and typing experience. The trait which the board comes with makes it worth buying a keyboard for every gamer who fancies tranquility and peace. Best performance: Razer Black Widow Elite. The tactile Razer Orange mechanical keys are what make Razer Black Widow Elite the quiet keyboard for gaming. The keyboard owns advanced mechanical switches that are incredibly responsive and excellent choices for high-end gaming. The addition of gamers' loved anti-ghosting and N-key rollover features enable the keyboard to insert up to 10 commands at one time, and every command is precisely processed with no noticeable lagging. This unique trait puts this board on the list of performance-oriented gaming keyboards. The customization traits of Black Widow Elite are pretty convenient and user-friendly. By using Razer's Synapse, you'll be capable of reprogramming the color options for backlit keys, as well as 5 gaming keys to boost your gaming desire. The orange switches are mechanical to give a soundproof tactile feel. That is to say, the quiet gaming is not too far with the soft, sturdy keys. The full RGB backlighting is fantastic for darkroom gaming, and it's simply customizable within the Razer Synapse 3 software. You can also set macros to any key and produce multiple profiles to keep your preferred settings. The tactile Razer Orange keys on our unit have a low operating force and short pre-travel, providing you a light and responsive gaming experience. Best value: NPET K10. The following top silent keyboard for gaming is the NPET K10 gaming keyboard. The keyboard is surprisingly silent and gives an outstanding gaming experience. The keys the keyboard is created with are of high quality, coated with an ultraviolet layer. This layer provides the letters and characters printed over the keys long-lasting and fade-resistant. The best part is that the keys are masterminded with a rubber dome, and the base is constructed with high-quality stainless steel to absorb clicking sound and give a higher strike rate. Further, the non-skid base limits the keyboard from slipping off, and this is the point where you'll get maximum advantage in intense gaming as well as fast typing. The strong keys not only enable you convenient typing and gaming, but you'll also feel no stress even after utilizing the keyboard for many hours. The beauty comes with it too, as the keyboard has 4 backlight modes to lighten up the keys. Even though the switches are not RGB equipped with per-key customization, the 4 backlight modes, combined with breathing pattern and lighting speed adjustment, make it no less than the RGB effect.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.